Good morning everyone, my name is Mike from Mitsubishi Pick Motors, Jose Abad Santos branch. And today, another car review. Siyempre, yung bago naming pickup truck, yung Triton. Sakto pa na color red siya at natapat sa Valentine's Day because today is the love month. So tara, reviewin natin. So, simulan natin sa engine. For the model and type, meron siyang 4N16 2.4 liter turbocharged direct injection diesel. At syempre, Euro 4 compliant. Meron siyang max power na 183 PS by 3,500 RPM. Meron siyang maximum torque na 430 Nm by 2,250 to 2,500 RPM. And of course, the fuel tank capacity is 75 liters. For the transmission, it is a 6-speed automatic. For the specifications, sa length, meron siyang 5,320mm. Sa width, meron siyang 1,865mm. Sa height, meron siyang 1,795mm. For the wheelbase, meron siyang 3,130mm. And yung kanyang ground clearance is 222mm. For the bed interior length, meron siyang 1,555mm. For the width, meron naman siyang 1,545mm. For the height, meron siyang 525mm. For the cargo floor height, meron siyang 800mm. Yung kanya namang gross vehicle weight is 2,910 kg. Meron din siyang curb weight na 1,805mm. And of course, the seating capacity is 5 seaters. At meron din siyang payload capacity na 1,115 kg. Sa suspension naman, sa front, meron tayong independent wishbone with coil springs. Sa likod, meron tayong rigid with lift springs. For the braking system, sa front, meron tayong ventilated disc. Sa rear, meron tayong leading and trailing drums. And also, equipped na rin siya ng ABS with EBD or yung anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Brake assist, equipped na rin siya. Dito naman tayo sa gulong. For the tires, meron siyang 265 by 60 by R18. Sa wheels naman, meron siyang 18 by 7.5J silver alloy. For the steering system, hydraulic yung steering niya, naka-leather wrap na rin yung steering wheel, mounted na rin siya ng audio control at cruise control. And of course, for the adjustment, tilt and telescopic. For the multimedia system, it is an 8-inch touchscreen display with AM/FM radio, Bluetooth with hands-free technology, USB connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. For the USB ports, sa front and rear, meron tayong dalawang klase, isang Type A at isang Type C. And equipped na rin siya ng 6 speakers. Safety, meron siyang airbag sa driver side, passenger side, at driver's knee. And of course, seatbelts, seatbelt reminder, reverse camera, active stability and traction control, hill start assist, trailer stability assist, ISOFIX and tether anchor, and for the lock and unlock system, remote keyless entry siya. Dito naman tayo sa interior. Sa driver's seat, it is a 6-way manual adjustable, slide, recline, height with convenience hook and seat back pocket. Sa may front passenger naman, it is a 4-way manual adjustable, slide, and recline. For the seat material, it is a black high-grade fabric with stitching. Yung kanya namang instrument cluster display is a 7 inches color LCD. And yung kanyang air conditioning system is single zone automatic. Isa sa napansin ko dito sa may bagong Triton na GLX variant is para na siyang mid variant nung nakalipas na Strada. Kasi halos lahat ng mga features tsaka yung ibang material parang nandito na sa may entry level. Una dahil dito sa may fabric ng seat material, napakaganda niya, napaka-comfortable. Napakaganda pa ng mga stitchings niya. Then itong bagong pattern. Then pangalawa, itong steering wheel, napaka-sporty ng dating niya. At pangatlo, itong 8-inch na bagong multimedia system natin, napakalaki na niya. And then yung mga buttons dito sa may air conditioning system, napakaganda talaga niyang tignan. Isa pang nakakatuwa dito sa may Triton, para na siyang Iron Man. Para sa akin kasi ito, napaka-pointy niya. Tapos dito pa bago na yung mga designs niya. Dito rin. Tapos dito, ganda niya. Tapos dito may mga curves na siya. Unlike before na straight lang talaga. Itong steering wheel napakaangas. Napakaganda ng mga corners dito sa may design niya. Sa exterior, yung kanyang headlights, fog light, daytime running lights are all halogen. At syempre, equipped na rin siya ng bed liner. Meron po kaming test drive unit dito sa may branch namin sa Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos branch. So, hanapin nyo lang ako, kontakin nyo lang ako sa number na nasa screen para ma-schedule natin. For the available colors, meron siyang white diamond, jet black, blade silver, graphite gray, at itong red solid. So, once again, this is Mike from Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos branch. So, I'll see you here.